You'll find the headlight control switch on the left side of the instrument panel. It controls your headlights, parking lights, daytime running lights, and rear fog lights. Turn the switch to the first position for automatic headlights, which automatically turns the headlights on or off depending on ambient light levels. A special dusk sensor activates your daytime running lights if ambient light goes dim but not dark. To activate your parking lights, with the ignition off, turn the headlight control switch to the second position. Your parking lights will stay on for 8 minutes or until the ignition is turned on. If you'd like parking lights on just one side of the vehicle, set the switch to the parking light position. Then use the signal lever to choose the side you want to illuminate. To activate your headlights, turn the switch to the third position. To activate your rear fog lights, if equipped, push the button in the center of the headlight control switch. To deactivate them, push the button again or turn the headlights off. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.